This video is for Broadus. My name is Joseph Graham. What I'm going to talk about is called MCMs, and that means more calls, more sales. Now, when someone's looking for a landscaper, they're going to do one of two things. They're either going to ask somebody that they know, hey, do you know a good landscaper, right? Or they're going to hop online and do a search. When they do a search for a landscaper, they're going to see people paying for ads. They're going to see these ads. They're going to see the map listings right here, and they're going to see the organic listings below. These organic listings only get 20% of the calls. The map listings get 70% of all calls, and the ads people think are spammy, so they get 10% of clicks, 10% of calls. Being in here will generate more calls, more sales. So here's the map to getting there. Optimizing that map listing. This is a map listing right here. All right, so optimizing your map listing. You're getting more reviews, of course, and filling out every little detail inside of that GMB. On your website, you want to keep building more content, which is the words on your website. And citations are, let's say, like you have a name, your business name, your business address, and a phone number, your NAP, your NAP information. So when you set up a Facebook page, a Yelp page, Yellow Pages, maybe with the local chamber of commerce, if you're with them, they're all going to give you a citation. So getting hundreds of those is a major key. And backlinks are votes from other sites. It's a popularity contest, right? These are the key elements to getting more calls and more sales. Now, when we dive into your heat map, anybody looking for a landscaper in a particular area, you will show up in one spot, and that's Brentwood. Like directly, anybody near your office or where your GMB was set up, when they do that search, yeah, they're gonna see you're going to be displayed in the top 3, right? But if they're down the street, let's say in Ben Hill, they're gonna see three different map listings appear. So these top 3 are getting the majority of the phone calls. Does that make sense? And what you want is to be 1, 2, and 3 all is like as far as you can. But that just means more people can find you, and you're gonna, let's say like in Golden Acres, you still got 3 different landscapers being displayed. So for Kemp, is it Kemp? No, Garland. There's Garland's. So Garland is getting blown up all day, every day, right? He's being seen by a lot more people in a wider range. Does that make sense? So remember, 1, 2s, and 3s, they're getting a lot of calls. And we're going to leave the heat map with you, and I'll give you a copy of this as well.